What is up, guys? In today's video we are gonna curl our hair and achieve this look. I did this for the first time, so if I could do this, you can do it too. So if you are a beginner in hairstyling, this video might be for you. I'm actually doing another hairstyle, and that's this famous viral messy bun. I will leave the video in the description below because we are gonna try to do it together. And this was actually base for this tutorial. And I thought I'm also gonna share with you how I curled this hair because I burned myself. I wasn't doing it. You will see. So if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section below if you have some tips for me, because I don't even have the right equipment for this. That's why I'm so happy about these results. Just have fun watching. I don't even own hair curler. I have one from my friend, and I feel like this one is pretty tiny for the long hair like this. My hair is actually freshly washed. Now I'm gonna just brush it through, and I'm gonna, separate it into sections so we can curl it better. I feel like I would need some better clips. So I'm just gonna section it in the back like this. I think I'm even gonna section this into 2 pieces because it's pretty big. And I set my hair curl on 190 degrees Celsius. As you can see, I feel like this is pretty small for my hair. Just something like this, it's okay. And then we are gonna grab the part in the front and do the same thing. I'm working away from the face. This is bad, but it's gonna work. No worries. Look at Bailey. He's chilling here. I feel like it's okay. We can work with that later, I feel like. Let's do the other side. So now we are gonna separate the hair again and take to the front the hair, which is not curled yet. Always brush it a little bit. And we will do the same thing, curling with my, I guess, not very best technique. I will separate it into 2 more sections actually, because it's a lot of hair. Yeah, we are getting there somehow. And then the last part. This is gonna be actually the most important, how we are gonna curl the front. So here I will need to be a little bit more better in it. I mean, at least here, the hair which is gonna frame my the hair which is gonna frame my face needs to be curled a little bit better. Say hi. What is? He likes the curls. I would like to put it away from my face. Maybe I should separate it onto 2 more pieces. Guys, it's already getting hot in here. This is workout. And now? What now? It doesn't look so good, but whatever, whatever, and ever. This is gonna be interesting. You feel me? Nothing is perfect, but we will make it perfect. We will make it perfect. See? Now it's getting a little bit better. I just need some practice. And I always like when the hair is from my face, like away from my face. That's why I'm doing it, you know, on top, like here. You could even do it down here and then it would be more flat in the face. Ah, hot, hot, hot. Yeah, that one's pretty good. It will be okay. You guys, this is dangerous. Ow. So that will be about it. I think that's enough. Oh, this is interesting. Let's turn this off. How do I turn this off? Right now. So this is how are the curls right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit before I brush it through, because when you brush it right the way through, they are gonna be looser as if you wait maybe 5 minutes and then brush it through. So I will wait to cool it down maybe 5 minutes. You guys, have you ever tried this one? Sour Drachenzungen. I'm based in Germany, it's German. It's very sour.
Drachenzungen.
Dragon thongs, balls, whatever. At first it's very sour, but then it's sweet. Looks like this. It's pretty good. So, it's like 5 minutes later. I have this brush. I'm just gonna brush it through and let's see what we got. I always say, you gotta trust the process. Look how pretty this looks. I mean, I feel like it's pretty. I feel like I'm gonna go with some hairspray. This hairspray is sensitive. I don't like when the hairspray is too strong. So as you can see, I'm loving it. I don't know how about you, but let me know in the comment section below, what was your first curling experience? What results did you get? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you burn your hair off? That's also, you have to be careful. Those machines are hot as f***. Yeah, I guess I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.